Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be taking a look at something very interesting. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Sam and I review tech stuff. So today the product we're going to take a look at is actually on my chest right now. It's the CKMova Voco X1. So basically it's a wireless microphone which connects to your computer and your camera and your phone through this 2.4 GHz system. The thing is really interesting and let's check it out today. Before the video starts, a huge thanks for CKMova for sending this over and let's take a look at it. First things first, of course, we're going to take a look around the box. On the front, we can see the CKMova logo. Down here, we can see it says Voco X V1. It's a 2.4 GHz dual channel wireless microphone system. And of course, in front of the box, we can see how it looks like right here. Then we have a few things it includes. It's a little mic again right here. So on the side of the box, we can see a few features that it has. It has a 100 meter working distance, 5 millisecond low latency response time, mono and stereo output, and then we have mic and line input, and of course we have headphone monitoring on this as well. On the other side, it just goes through the same features in different languages, and on the back you can actually see a few highlights. So it's ultra compact, it has 2.4 GHz, it has OLED display screen on both transmitter and emitter. Again, it has 100 meter working distance and a lot of features that we'll go through before, but it also says that it has 10 hours of battery life with a Type-C charging port. We have a full specification list right here. You can pause the video if you are interested in taking a look at it. So yeah, let's get to unboxing it. So it comes with a case inside, nice. So this is everything included in the box. We get the case with the CKMova inside, and then of course we have the CKMova user manual for the Voco X V1, and then we have a little warranty card right here which you have to fill in yourself, which is pretty nice. Now let's check out the case. So this is the case itself. It's the CKMova case. Feels really nice and hard, so you won't damage it while you're bringing it around. Then it comes with this tab right here which you can hook on things and everything, and the zipper is actually rubber so you won't brush it up on anything. So far I really love the case. Let's open it up and check out what's inside. So we have two sides, top and bottom. Let me just put this down so we can take a look at it. Let's check out stuff on the top. So there's quite a lot of stuff included. I wasn't expecting this much stuff, but let's go through them one by one. Let's check out the first thing in this plastic. So the first thing we got in this plastic is basically a hook for the microphone. So you can hook it onto your shirt or any place you want it hooked up at. Very nice, and it's metal, I believe. Yep. Let's check out the second thing. Second thing we get in this little piece of plastic, it's a dead cat, like a tiny little dead cat for the microphone to reduce wind noise. And again, we can see there's something inside for you to mount it on. And of course, we have a lot of cables included. This is a Type A to Type C cable. I imagine it's for the charging. We get another cable right here, which is again Type A to Type C because we have two modules. This is the microphone right here attached to it, a 3.5mm microphone with the windscreen on it already. Then we have this, a 3.5 to 3.5 right angle with a coil cable in the middle, and then the same thing here because again we have a transmitter and an emitter. Now let's check out what's on the bottom. We have a RX and a TX, and that's it. Again, I must say I really like the case, and let's check out the modules themselves. Nice. Let's take a look around this. So at the front we have CKMova. On the bottom it says Voco X RX. Bottom we can see this logo, and on the right side we have the up and down adjuster. On the other side, we have the Type-C for charging. We have pair mode and mute mode or power off. On the top, we have line out and headphones mode. A headphones jack. And then of course on the back we have this clip. Let me just try to turn it on and see if there's any juice in it. Okay, so the OLED screen is turning on right now. We can see the user interface, A, B, and then we have a few specs on the bottom. Let's check out the other one. So this is the other module. This is the TX module. Again, TX on the bottom, CKMOVA on top. On the top, we got something slightly different. We got the mic in. This is basically, I think it's for the mic also. On the side, we have the same thing, a charging Type-C port, pair and mute. On the bottom, it just has this logo. And on the right side, again, we have the plus and minus button. And on the back, we have the clip. So the only difference between these two is one is for the microphone, which is this one right here. This is for the mic, and then this is for the camera. So my first impressions of these, that they really feel nice and they have a really good build quality. So this is definitely something new for me to check out. I'll be using them for a few days and I'll come back to you guys with how they sound like with the sound test and my final thoughts and review on this unit right here. So that was it. That was a quick unboxing and look at the CKMOVA Vocal XV1. Now, I have really good things to say about it after using it for a few days. First things first, the case that is provided is super well built. It's quality and I really love the hard shell case. It really brings a lot of like premium feel to it. And of the cables and stuff given is also quite high quality. Second thing is the ease of use. This product is quite easy to use and set up. All you have to do is read through the instructions and pair it up, and the settings are really easy to use. And the OLED screen on this really helps. Third thing is the battery life. So CKMOVA have a claim up to 10 hours for a single use, and I think that's more than enough, especially if you're recording indoors or outdoors. 10 hours is quite enough, and plus with the Type-C charging, everyone has that cable right now and it's easily charged up. So yeah, that has been it for this quick unboxing and review of this product. A huge thanks to CKMOVA for sending this over. I will definitely be using it starting from now on. It's going to be in all of my videos. So if you like this video, dislike this video. If you didn't like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have content like this coming very soon. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye guys.